Good evening. So today I'm going to be using my new steamer. So excited that I found this. This one is actually available on TikTok Shop. This is a gifted item, full disclosure. But yes, this is the steamer here, and I got it in the green. They have a couple of different colors, but I really like green, so I chose this one. But I just filled up the water here, and I'm going to slide that in there. And then while I unbox a couple of things, I'm going to let this warm up. And there we go. All right, it's plugged in. All right, and then I'm going to, hi Mia. I'm gonna take this here. I'm gonna turn that on so I can steam it. Hi, welcome. Thanks for coming, you guys. Okay, so I'm letting the steamer warm up right now. This is the High Life steamer, and I was so excited to get this because I've been using the same steamer for a long time. But I'm starting to get a little bit of steam from here. Oh my, that worked really fast. Holy crap, that was so much faster than my own. I thought I was going to have a couple of minutes here to talk about some new items. But never mind. The steamer is ready to go. So I'm going to be steaming a couple of the items that are listed below. So make sure that you check out my shop link below. This is one of those cute day dresses. Ooh, let's see how this is working. Oh my gosh. Okay. Hold on. Let me turn it off for just a second. I feel like it's not going to take too much to turn back on. Okay, so here we have, oh, let me take this guy off. 1 second, please. So we have a couple of wrinkles here. So this is the dress before. You can see the wrinkles throughout. And I'm going to take a minute here to work on steaming out some of these wrinkles. But oh my gosh, I think this is the fastest steamer that I've ever seen, like ever. This is incredible how it's almost instant. It was pretty immediate. Okay, so let me get this other shoulder side here. All right, and then I'm going to start working my way down to the bottom of the material. I just noticed this dress has pockets. Oh my gosh. I love that. Pockets are amazing. And not just to hold all of the things in, but also it's fun just to put your hands in your pockets sometimes when you're chilling. I'm honestly really impressed by this steamer right now, you guys. I feel like it's just blasting through these wrinkles. Okay. Let's double check real quick. All right. Look at that difference. So a few seconds ago, I showed you guys this facing in this direction, and it was crazy how many wrinkles it had. And now we got out all of those wrinkles using this awesome steamer. This is so great. My favorite color is green, so I got it in green, but they have a bunch of different colors as well. And this bristle is an attachment here, so you can remove the bristle if you like to. But I thought that that worked great. So here's the back. We can still see that there are some wrinkles along the back. We haven't done the back yet, but we did do the front. And even though there are pleats and like this cute little ruching here, you can tell that there's not any wrinkles, especially compared to the back. So let's take a second and we're going to remove the wrinkles from the back. So I literally just turned this off. I'm going to show you guys how fast this thing turns on. Just turned it off. It's marked red for just a second. Might actually need to refill the bottle here. Oh, nope. It's, see, what was that? 25, 30 seconds. Isn't that great? Oh my gosh, I'm just over the moon. I steam a lot of my clothes and I feel like I'm constantly just waiting a lot of the time for my steamer. Usually I'll even like make my coffee or I'll do other things while I'm waiting for my steamer. But the fact that this is just ready almost immediately is so beneficial. Like my other steamer, I would never have to turn it off because it was so slow that I would use it until all the water was gone and then I would turn it off to do a little refill. But oh my gosh, this one works faster than I am able to move. And so I've actually had to turn it off, but it turns back on so quickly. Yeah, you know you're in your 30s when you're stoked about a steamer. Literally, I'm like giddy about it right now. Love you. My boyfriend's just looking at me. It's like, oh my goodness. So this dress was right out of the packaging. So this was how I got it when it was shipped. So keep that in mind when you are purchasing these items, that they do go through a little bit when they're making their way to your house. So having something like a steamer available just to get out all of the little wrinkles that happen very naturally through the shipping process is very handy. All right, I think we just got one more little section here behind the pocket. And did I mention this dress has pockets? That's so great. I love that. Pocket. Let's see. What else we kind of need to redo? All right. Woohoo! So this is the green dress after. Yes, what a difference, huh? I love that. So this dress is so cute. We just took out, I'd say, a good 80 to 90% of the wrinkles, but so cute. I won't try to play around with it too much, but I want to show you guys that it does have two pockets, one on each side. It's a cute kind of shorter summer dress. Love this. This is so cute. Okay, now while I have a second, I'm going to show you guys these Lomon tops. So these are also linked below, of course. And this is a 3-pack of t-shirts. So let's see what we have here. Oh, nice. So these are athletic shirts. It's a nice, oh, sorry, my mic. It's a nice full coverage t-shirt. Okay, so it goes to right there on the arm. covers the waistline, covers the back. This is the black one. And this is a 3-pack. So it also came with a blue. I like this blue. I think that's such a pretty color. And we have one more. I love a good 3-pack. The last one, the white one, they actually wrapped this white one up, which I think is smart because white tends to get dirty easy. So, oh yeah, I like the white too. These are nice. Very, very, very nice. So I'm definitely going to take a little bit of steam to these. But for now, let me move on to my next steam. So we just used our High Life steamer and got all the wrinkles out of this baby here. I got an extra hanger there. Next, I'm going to do this one here. So this one is a dress with some attached shorts underneath, okay? And it has a pocket on each side as well. So I'm a huge fan of comfy, stretchy materials, especially things with shorts underneath, and even more so things with pockets. So I'm very, very excited about this piece. But as you can see, when I received it, it's got quite a few wrinkles all along it, just from the shipping, you know, being shipped in a little bag, making its way to its new home, right? So I'm going to take my awesome new steamer that I got from the TikTok shop, link below. I got the green because green is my favorite color, but they did have a couple other ones. This is getting low. Let me show you. Whoop, there we go. Just pops off like that. And that. I'm just going to take off this little top here. So it is probably best to fill it up in like a sink. My other steamer, I had a little cup that I would fill it in with because it had a bigger hole for the water to go through. But this one has a little one, which I'm not complaining because honestly, once you see this thing, you'll see how great it is. My other steamer would literally take a few minutes to warm up, and I never saw any issue with that. That was just like, okay, that's just the way it is, right? And then I got this baby. Now, we saw that we just put the fresh water in it. We have this button back here and the little steam and then the off button. And so we're just going to turn that on. Now it's flashing red. So it's only going to take a few seconds here. I'm not going to stand in front of it. I'll just hold it to the side. But now see how fast that was? That was fresh, new water, and it's already steamed. Like that was that was incredibly fast, right? So let's take a second. We're going to steam out the wrinkles on this dress here. I love this green color. It's so pretty. It's perfect for summer. All right, almost done with the front. All right, I'm gonna switch it off, set it on over to the side. and show you guys the results. So I'd say it works pretty great. I'd say, okay, so I did miss a little spot there. I see that now. But I'd say a good like 80 to 90% of the wrinkles were taken off so quickly, right? Isn't that fantastic? Okay, so now let me show you the back. So this is the back pre-steam. We can definitely see a lot of wrinkle lines, a lot of indents. This is the front after we did the steam on the front. You can see the difference. Okay, got to give this pocket a little bit more love. But yeah, you can definitely see the difference. And you guys, I'm so excited to say that this one's available on TikTok. My other steamer that I was using for a ton of my videos before was not available on TikTok. This one is, so you can just check the shop link below. They have a bunch of different colors. But watch how fast this is. I had it turned off. It's marking red. Give it just a second. Just take like one deep breath. Yep, and there it is. It's ready to go. So let's get through these wrinkles here along the back side. All right, top part looks great. Let's start working towards bottom. Wow, I'm blown away about how fast the steamer is. I love it. It's really great. Try to get this pocket a little bit more. I think because the pocket's a little loose, a little hard to get that out of there. There we go. Try this one a little bit more too. Yeah, I could do that one a little bit more. All right. Yes. So look at that. What a difference, right? It had so many little kinks and crinks in it. I'd say it's like 80 to 90% good to go. And yeah, I could definitely spend maybe another minute or two on the front and on the back to get it like 100% perfect. But honestly, I'm one of those people that's fine with the 80 to 90% because I know that once I put it on my body and I sit down or I go to drive or I go to move around a little bit, it's going to get some natural creases in it anyways. But I just don't want to go out with it looking like it's super crinkly. So that's after a steam. I think it looks great. And then, yeah, this is the jumper with the shorts underneath. Super cute. Hi. Welcome, welcome. And then I'm also wearing the microphone that's listed below as well. So I'm hoping that the sound is coming in great from that. And then I also have the cute towel scrunchie that's listed below as well. So you can see they are larger than normal scrunchies. So I have a normal scrunchie here, and then this is the Kish one. So they're larger, and it's kind of this microfibery towel material. So it's great for your hair after the shower and so forth, and it'll hold it nice and securely. So check those out. Little shopping link below. All right, done with that one. Now let's see. Now I have this purple athletic top, and yes, usually I wouldn't steam an athletic top, but it does have quite a few wrinkles from being in transit. So before I wear it, I usually like to get, a good percentage of the wrinkles out. so that it's not looking super crispy and crunchy. So I'm going to break out the steamer once again for this great athletic shirt. So let's show those of you who just showed up. We have the steamer. It's been turned off for a little bit. We're going to turn it on. And by the time we take a nice deep breath, it's ready to go. Isn't that awesome? So it works really good. I love how fast it is. It's really efficient. And it's available for you guys in the TikTok shop. So if you've been in the market for a steamer, maybe you're old fashioned and you like an iron, try this out. I think that this is a great product. As you can see, even on an athletic shirt, it gets through the wrinkles pretty easily. So if you travel a lot and you have to keep your items in a suitcase or in a small place where they're folded or maybe bunched up, a steamer is an awesome option. I know that sometimes not all the hotels have an iron and an ironing board anymore. So having a steamer is a great option. You just throw your items on a hanger, turn on the steamer, and get to work. Before you know it, everything looks nice and cleanly steamed. Hi, welcome. How's everyone doing this evening? Hi, Crystal. Hi, Nina. Hi, Kelly. I'd love for you guys to drop where you're from down in the comments. I'm currently in Southern California myself. You can see the sun is almost all the way down. It's still a little up. Enjoying those nice summer days. All right. On this one, especially, the sides are kind of scrunched up, and I think it's because they have this detail on the side here, and then it seems like, yeah, on this right side, it even has a little pocket. So I think that's why in transit it got a little extra scrunched up around those areas. And then on areas where the wrinkles are a little bit deeper, you just kind of hold it over there a little bit longer. I just kind of wiggle it side to side as I move up and down the fabric. Wow, what a difference. A couple of deep wrinkles here through the midline. A few right towards the bottom. Oh, not me scrunching up the side that I just steamed. Look at that. Ah, what a difference. Yes? Like, isn't that crazy? So I showed you the before. It kind of looked like this backside here with these creases, and now look at it! Yay! All right, I'm gonna do the backside now. And this part down here, this is that especially wrinkly spot. This one's definitely taking a little bit longer than the other two, but that's all right. This one's had a few more deep wrinkles than the other ones did. I think it has something to do with this design with the stitching here and this pocket on the side, but that's okay because the steamer is it's working through them, getting those wrinklies out. All right, we might need a little bit more water. She's still going, but we're definitely gonna have to fill her up in a second. Look at that. What a difference, yes? So he's had all that crinkling by the pockets and down below. And now it is nice and smooth. It's ready to be worn. Isn't that fantastic? Seriously, I can't recommend it enough. Yes, and if you're in the market for a steamer, please do purchase it from my link below so that I get credit for telling you about it. All right. Should we steam the 3 t-shirts? Do I have time? Okay. All right. So this was the 3-pack of athletic t-shirts that we just received, and they're not too bad. Just a couple of wrinkles through the center. Once again, kind of just right along where that design is, but that's okay because it's cute. Um, and then some along the back as well. So we'll take some time here to wait, let me do this and this. This here. Perfect. Okay. Hi, hello, good evening. Thank you for joining. Hi, hi. All right. So we have this one here. I'm going to work out those wrinkles. And I'm going to refill my steamer here. Sorry, let me use my dominant hand. There we go. All right, and then what I love about this, like it just pops right in like that. Isn't that great? Okay, so here we go again. Oh, well, it was ready to go. That was no lag time at all. I just filled it up and it just immediately turned on. That was fantastic. Okay, so let's get this white t-shirt nicely de-wrinkled. There are these wrinkles here on the shoulder. Just work the steamer through there a couple of times. Nice, right? All right. The back could for sure use a steam. Wrinkle be gone. Isn't that awesome? And then we have this wrinkle along the side here. Work that out. There we go. Love. Very nice. All right. Oh. Let's do the blue one. This is the blue one before with all the wrinkles. Isn't the steamer awesome? All right. Post steam. Okay, now let's do the back. We have this really bad wrinkle right here. Here, I'm going to hang this one up so I can get that wrinkle out. I have to kind of hold it a little bit. All right, so we got that big wrinkle out. Oh, nope, a little bit right there, just towards the bottom. All right, there we go. Nice. Beautiful. So much better after. I'm definitely gonna have to post a video of the before and afters because this steamer is amazing. I'm so happy I have this steamer. Hi, Brooke. Hi, Hater. Hi, Melissa. Hi, Crystal. Thanks for joining. There you go. Got one more out of that 3-pack. You can't really see a ton of wrinkles on the black, but that's okay. I'm still gonna just give it a tiny little steam. Nothing too elaborate. Use up the rest of the water in here. Yeah, I'm just obsessed with this steamer. I can't believe how fast it starts up. It just works really, really good. I'd say it's decently quiet. All right, so that's the steamed side, unsteamed side. Again, not as huge of a difference because it's a black material. You can't really see too many wrinkles on it anyways, which is wonderful. Not complaining. So we're just giving it a light steam just to take some of the packing wrinkles out because this is just unboxed a few minutes ago. All right. And there she is. Mhm. Hi, hello. All right. So thanks guys for joining. If you're new and just hopping on right now, I have all of these awesome shirts and dresses behind me listed below in the shop. And if you click that follow button, I'm going to be trying them on tomorrow. So make sure you don't miss the live when I do the try on of these cute sports tops. It was a 3-pack here. The white, the blue, and the black. And then the long sleeve purple athletic shirt with the zipper pocket on the side. And we have the dress with the pockets and the shorts underneath. And the cute single layer dress also has pockets as well. Oops. The microphone that I've been wearing for this live is listed below, and this cute Kish scrunchie or Kitsch scrunchie is listed below as well. And then the High Life steamer, my new favorite item. So thanks guys for joining. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your evening. Take care of yourselves, and I will see you guys next time.